Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you what is Zapier and how does it work. So first of all, Zapier is a website with which you can automate a lot of apps, for example 7,000 plus applications, and you can interact between them and you can create automations. I will tell you an experiment in front of you a bit later that how does it work. So if you sign in with your Zapier account, you have to sign up first. Once you have signed up and you have to sign in with your account, you will see this on your dashboard. All you have to do is click on this Zap button. Now on this page you will see two buttons, trigger and action. You can trigger from any app and make any action on the other application. For example, I will create a basic Zap in front of you, so I will select trigger. On the trigger, you have 7,000 plus applications that you can do. You can go with Google Ads, you can go with Facebook, you can go with anyone. So to make a basic and very easy Zap, I will select Gmail. So from here, I have to choose an event. You can choose any event. For example, I will choose a new email. Whenever a new email is received on my Gmail, and then I have to click there. If you aren't signed in with your Gmail account, you have to click on this sign in button. There will be a sign in button in front of you. You have to click on it and sign in with your Gmail account. As I have already connected my Gmail account, so I will click on continue. Now on the configure tab, you will see a list of templates, for example, chat, send, inbox. So I want to work in my inbox, so I will select inbox. And then I will select continue. Now I want to test my trigger if my Zapier is working with Gmail correctly or not. Now it's showing me a green tick button, which means my Zapier is successfully connected with Gmail. So I will select continue with selected record. Now you have to select actions. You can perform any actions. You can update a row on Google Sheets whenever a new email received. You can update your Google Slides. You can connect it with Slack. So what I will do, I will type WhatsApp here. I will select WhatsApp notifications. And then in the event section, I will select send message. And then all you have to do is click on this sign in button to connect your WhatsApp account with Zapier, as I have already connected. If you're not connected, you will see a sign in button or connect button here. You have to click on it. You have to type in your WhatsApp number. And after that, you will be successfully connected to Zapier with your WhatsApp account. So once you've done that, you have to click on continue once again. In the configure tab, you will see a bunch of templates. For example, new lead, new message. I will select new message. So if a new email is received on my Gmail, I want Zapier to send me a message via WhatsApp notifications on my WhatsApp account. So I can type any name for this template. For example, new email received. From here, I can enter a link to reply. My link to reply will be basicmail.google.com. So I will click on the link and my Gmail inbox will open. And after that, I have to click on continue. So I have data in 3 options: template, name, and link to reply. So I will type link to reply as it is, link_to_reply. And after that, I will test if this Zap is working fine or not. I will select test step and I wait for my WhatsApp message if any message has been received on my WhatsApp or not. And I have successfully received a message on my WhatsApp, so which means my Zap is working 100% fine. And that's a very basic Zap. You can experiment it and you can perfect it and you can go to the advanced level. And that is what is Zapier, and that's how it works. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.